The Lebanese city of Tripoli is a living museum that combines Roman, Byzantine, Fatimid, Chrysaor, Mamluk and Ottoman architecture. The city is famous for making sweets, which have been associated with heritage throughout its long history. Among the most famous types of sweets, halawat al-jibn, baklava, basma, halawat al-shimaysa. Among the most prominent neighborhoods of the city is the Christian Quarter, which includes the Old St. Nicholas Church, which was originally a dive facility for a Muslim family from Tripoli who abandoned it and turned it into a church. In Tripoli, there is a group of public baths dating back to the Ottoman and Mamluk eras, which were originally established for the necessity of cleanliness and purity. And among the most important baths that still exist, Hammam al-Abd and Hammam al-Nuri.